The Chevy Blazer key fob uses a CR232 battery. Insert a small screwdriver or key into the slot on the side to gently pry it open. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery held by a small tab or clip. Use your finger or non-metallic tool to dislodge the old battery, noting which side is facing up with the plus sign. With the old battery removed, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the battery compartment, making sure the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Once the new battery is securely in place, align the two halves of the key fob and gently snap them back together. Ensure the case is fully closed and there are no gaps. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Chevy Blazer from a distance to confirm it's working properly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation or consider taking it to a dealership for reprogramming if issues persist.